been a while since we vlogged. It's been like since Black Butte, and we only uploaded a couple times. Lena's coming over at 5. It's like 3:34 right now. We're gonna go to Savi's Island and hang out there. There's like music and fun stuff. I'm talking quiet because my family hates when I vlog. At Zoe, love you. So yeah. Okay, Lena just got here.
We're at Savi's Island, and so are Catlin kids that we're trying to avoid.
Okay, we went to Savi's Island, and
Oh, I want a rice
we're getting
cake, the
food.
caramel ones. Wait.
We're getting food, and then we're gonna go to bed. We didn't really vlog anything, so we'll vlog tomorrow. Speaker.
Is it Maisie?
Not my view. Who is it?
Girl, prank call you. It's not even a prank call you.
Well, you're not prank calling us. You're just talking to us.
Yeah.
Wait, who is this?
Maisie doesn't say girl.
Who is this?
Oh my god, wait. What?
What's going on upstairs?
Hold on.
We just woke up and they look really gross, so I kind of don't want to put this on the internet. And we're gonna make breakfast, and yeah.
Tatum, I started the video. Okay. So, today, you're making Pillsbury orange rolls by Cinnabon. No, made with Cinnabon. Okay, this lighting is not doing anything for me. Well, you're just gonna have to deal with it. So, it's these. I feel like a beauty guru. Yeah. Okay.
Cooking with Lena and Tatum.
Down, down, down.
Du, du, du. Du, du, du. Du, du, du. Yeah. Today, we're gonna be making orange rolls. Not quite sure what they are, but I'm gonna hope they don't
Tatum's
taste
never
bad.
had them. But I made them with Lisa and Kiara, so.
I hope they don't taste gross.
They're not that gross.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just kidding. They're good.
Do you have any whipped
I like
cream?
them more than cinnamon rolls. Whipped cream
Yeah.
on cinnamon rolls.
I was hoping maybe that would be like a thing people do. We're gonna preheat the oven. I can already smell them toasting up. Okay, we're waiting. Someone added me on Snap. That's so exciting. We're waiting for our orange rolls. Yeah. That was so aggressive. Well, our food's done. we're still at Lena's, and Eleanor's parents are gonna come pick us up and take us to Eleanor's, and then we're gonna go to Eleanor's, and Eleanor and Lena are gonna go see Mamma Mia too, because Eleanor hasn't seen it yet. And I'm just gonna go home because I don't want to do anything. So, yeah. I was editing this vlog and I got kind of annoyed because that's just not what happened at all. I was gonna do that and then I was like, why not? So I just went with Eleanor and Lena and we hung out at Eleanor's, and then we went to the movie all together, and then I went home and slept here because I didn't really want to have a sleepover that night. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it, but they slept over, and so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Okay, bye.